I don't know who the fuck need to hear this, but check this out real quick. Please teach your daughters that following a man through hell is not love. Standing by his side while he drags you through years of embarrassment and infidelity that makes you question your worth is not love. Abandoning your dignity and self-respect just to keep the peace is not love. Unlearn that. A man who truly loves you would never put himself in a position to lose you or hurt you. I don't know who need to hear this, but to you men. That's why y'all have to be careful of what you do and say in front of your children, and especially your daughters to a woman, because that is how your daughter will think that a man is supposed to talk to her and treat her. Then a lot of y'all men want to run to the daughter defense when the boyfriend is putting his foot off up in her ass, but she only allow it because that's what she seen you do. You have to be the man that you want your daughter to date, motherfucker. Yeah.